One excuse that I hear many people use that prevents them from reaching their goals is, I just don't have time. But if something is really important to you, like football or your new crush, you will always find time. No matter how busy you think you are, everybody has things that they can eliminate during their day to make time to work towards their goal. People that say they don't have time all seem to find the time to watch TV, go out with friends, play their favorite video games, go to sporting events, browse social media, talk on the phone, and all sorts of other non-essentials. It's been calculated that the average person spends over 135 minutes, that's 2.5 hours each day, browsing social media. And this continues to increase every year. These are simply luxuries that should be reduced or even eliminated to create the time needed to build your dreams. But to do this requires both dedication and self-discipline. The 24-hour day can be divided into 3 8-hour sections. 8 hours to sleep, 8 hours to earn a living, and 8 hours to spend however you please. But what you please to do should include something that gets you closer to your future goals, whether that's getting in better shape or building your own business. If you still can't seem to find the time, you can create a spare hour each day by simply sleeping faster. Instead of 8 hours, sleep for 7 hours each night until you achieve your goals. Go to bed later if you're a night person, or wake up earlier if you're a morning person, and use that spare hour to get things done. If you look at all the successful people around the world, they all come from very different circumstances, both good and bad, but they all still found the time. How you spend your time today will determine how you can live your life tomorrow. Don't continue to let year after year pass by and not get any closer to your dreams. By doing this, you're more likely to reach a nightmare. So stop using lack of time as an excuse. Better yet, let's get rid of excuses altogether and get to work. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.